Today's challenge is we're going to install this gutter guard. We've cleaned the gutters. That took a little bit of time. It's fairly easy to do. The reason why is because you can see behind me all of those trees, and they go way up. And they rain dirt and leaves into my gutter. And I'm tired of cleaning them. I've got gutter helmet on my other higher gutters, and I usually do just clean these because the ones too high are clean on a regular basis. So we're just going to go open this guy up. It comes with instructions. I'll post below where you can get this. The only challenge here is that you're standing above ground. So you gotta be careful. Put this off to the side. Leave it here just in case we need the instructions. This is 20 feet and you can see the mesh. Now I guess you could get on the roof and do this, and that might be a little safer, but you gotta get this lip up here. So you gotta be careful. I've never done this before, and I guess you're not gonna see here. So let's change the angle of the camera and get to business. Now, there's a bunch of different ways you can do this. I don't know, maybe you just cut out the length and get her going that way. And then you got to get under. There is a barrier in here, and I want to slide it between the barrier and the shingles. Don't want to compromise the shingles at all. And just slide it in the gutter. Nobody's going to look at it, and it's more about practicality than fancy. If you're nervous about heights, you probably want to think about this twice. But the install itself, as you can see, is pretty straightforward as long as you can peel your shingles up and you don't fall off the ladder. Kind of buckle this in like this, and then somehow get it back into the line underneath the gutter. It doesn't take much time at all, and it will save you years and years of cleaning gutters because the leaves won't get caught in here. They'll just kind of bounce off and then go down below, in my case, to the deck or the ground or whatever it is. Okay, so you can see I progressed pretty well down the gutter. You just need to make sure you slip it in here good. It goes over these nails. Pretty easy. Pretty happy with this product. It only costs, I think it's around $5 when I got it. So I'm just going to go down to the other end and finish it off. Wow, this is fun. Trying to get the angle on the camera is the hardest part. By the way, I'm probably going to do a how you make a camera boom that's really tall for shooting things like this. So I found this painter's tool that opens up paints and bottles. Very helpful in kind of coming in and bringing this guy down over here and up. Now I guess you could loop it in here a little bit if you wanted, and I'll be able to do that a little later. Now you can see I'm at this end. It's a little higher, so I'm probably going to have to cut it off here. Get the painter's tool in my pocket so I know right where it is. Here's the semi-tricky part. So you go in here like this. I'm going to cut plenty. You can see it easily cuts. Just cut it. I can always trim it up later. Goodbye, extra. Put the scissors up here. Now, see, that's probably too much. See? Yeah, that's way too much. Probably want to do a little less than that. This is an honest review. I'm not getting paid anything to do this install or use this product, but when I find something good, just want to share it with everybody. There, you just tuck it in like that. Get this guy in here like this. Bring him up, pinch him up a little bit, and there you go. Pretty easy. Now there's other products like this, and there's actually metal that you could probably use. By the way, scissors can also be used to bring this thing forward. But I kind of like the plastic. I think it's going to be a little more durable. From my experience, metal grate like this, it rusts after a while, even if it's coated. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciate it. Thanks for watching. If you like home repairs, builds, Designs of all kinds, making and breaking things. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe because you never know what you're gonna see.